Good morning, YouTube. Today, Josh is going to drive my GT40.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
I've been itching to drive it, so here we go.
He needs to. I mean, he's got to drive
It's got a mailbox key, though, to start it.
It is kind of a weak little key, isn't it? Bad news is Josh has to kind of fold up to fit in this thing. So his head literally is in the gurney bubble. Like, without the gurney bubble, he would get decapitated or be sitting like this the whole time. So
Well, I'm excited to try it out.
this will be fun. This will be exciting. I got to film this.
This should be interesting.
All right, so I found the best way. Put your right foot in, sit your butt on the sill.
Okay. Oh, right foot in.
Right foot in, butt on the sill, then left foot in. Then slide in. And your knees are gonna crunch. Probably have to.
All right. I'm probably not going to be able to wear my hat. My head
Clunk.
still hits the roof.
It
It's
literally
okay.
hits the roof. Clunk! This is fun.
Okay, no hat. No hat for the GT40 ride.
Yeah, yeah. I'll
Okay.
crawl in once you get it going just because this is fun to film.
Shut up. I'm struggling here.
All right, turn.
Okay.
So then
Okay.
clutch in, hit the gas.
That's neutral.
Yeah.
Twice on the gas.
Twice on the gas, then button.
Where's the start?
Left.
Here?
Yep. There you go. There you go. Let's turn on the fan and the oil. There. Steering wheel. Might have to give it a little bit of gas just until it gets warmed up.
What's the red light?
Just letting you know the fan's on.
Oh, okay.
Alright. I haven't actually gotten in on this side
Oh
yet.
my god. The pedals are so close together.
Yeah.
I love the AC controls over here.
Oh yeah, we can turn the AC.
Just press the button.
No, right there.
Oh. Okay, where's
I'll take-
reverse on this?
So reverse is left and up.
Don't you dare, don't you dare. Okay, so visibility out of the back is terrible.
Yeah.
I guess if I was a little shorter it would be better, but that was not me. That was the car. I had the clutch in.
Choked out.
Damn, the return spring on the accelerator. So it's first like down,
Yeah.
like that?
It's just barely. So it's like, okay, hold on. You're
I'm in reverse still.
okay. Oh, you're in reverse still.
Yeah.
Hold on. So clutch in. Look back.
Okay.
So it's like just barely left and then down.
It's first.
It's first.
Okay, I want to go in reverse a little more.
Yeah.
That should be first, right?
Probably. No power steering.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, turning radius is terrible.
Shit. It's shit. It's race
No,
car
I'm
shit.
not gonna make it.
Nope. There we go. And then because we're on this street, see that rocker switch over there? Push it, push it up and hold it for a little while.
Ooh.
It's the, you can feel it raise a little.
Why is it making that sound?
That's the pump.
Damn, that doesn't sound healthy.
It
Probably need to like air in it or something.
might be, yeah.
That's a short shifter. I like that. I don't like having to lean down, but it's okay. It's not too bad. The air feels nice.
Yeah.
I like no power steering. You can kind of
Oh, it's so direct.
everything is very just direct. This would be so much better if I was like a foot shorter. What's all the way left and down? Nothing. Oh, it just has to be in that certain spot.
Yep.
Got it. Okay. Does the lift stay up until I press the?
Yeah.
I mean, everybody has to be staring at this car.
Oh,
You're
God.
crazy if you're not.
And the turn signals do not cancel.
It's funny. It's like the same turn signal as on my golf cart.
Yeah.
Have you gone out of this before? I just gotta
No,
go.
I haven't.
Extreme angle right here.
It's gonna
I
have to be
guess.
extreme angle, yeah.
Does this thing take a while to warm up?
It's starting to pull some temp in the oil now, so we're okay. The water temp's already up. It comes up fast on the water.
Just look
Yep.
over there for
Yep,
me.
you're
Am I good?
Yep, go for it.
So that's like fourth, right?
Yeah,
That takes some getting used to.
it does.
This isn't that bad. This is a little smoother than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
Everybody said, or you kept saying that's the roughest shit, and it's very loud in here. But the ride quality's pretty good.
It's not bad. Oh, you got the axle lift up still though.
So I put it down?
Yeah.
How do I know when to stop?
It's probably about good.
Oh man, the steering is so... It's like... Man, this would be a lot of fun on a track.
It's like a go-kart.
Every little bump kind of jerks you around a little bit.
Yep.
Is the fuel coming from this thing?
It's the... I just filled it up, so it's probably letting out a little fuel.
I like the smell of raw fuel. It's
Yeah.
alright.
Where's this go?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'll go slow on the way, and then on the way out I'll go fast.
There you go.
I can see why you like this thing.
It's just raws. That was just a dead end.
The transmission would take some getting used to.
Yeah. I'm just getting the hang of it now.
Yeah. They didn't give two shits about rattles or anything in this car.
Nope.
Oh shit. I didn't realize I was going that fast.
It's a rocket ship.
Jesus Christ.
Couple gears and it's up
Okay.
there.
Alright. Alright. This car's ridiculous. You're right though, I can't imagine racing this thing.
Oh, dude.
In
Those
a
guys,
24-hour race.
that. Those guys had such giant balls.
Alright, I'm gonna get on it one more time here.
Yep. Although it's kind of lumpy.
I'll wait until we get around the turn up here.
Yeah. The noise is just incredible.
65 is the true red line.
Yeah, basically.
I only took it to like 55 right there.
Yeah.
It seemed like it was pretty angry. Thing just sounds mean.
Well, it's only like 3 inches from our head.
I know. Every bump is like pulls you in one direction or the other. You got to take this to the track.
Oh, yeah.
You got to take this. You got to put this on Coda. Dang.
Race car pads. He gave me the other set of pads that don't squeal as much. I might put those on just because they are annoying.
I'd probably do that. That's kind of annoying. This thing's f***ing ridiculous, man. I like that it gets a little squirrely, but it's very like,
It's controllable.
it's very controllable. It's like,
Yeah. It definitely could not be driven without really sticky tires.
no. The brakes, like no power brakes, right?
Yeah. You gotta stand on them a
You
bit.
can tell.
Yeah.
I haven't driven a car with no brakes like that for a while. I like the armrest right here.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Damn. It's pretty sweet.
Meets the Josh seal of approval.
If it was just a little bigger, I would want one.
Yeah.
I couldn't do this.
I wonder, you know what? I bet they can probably make a thinner seat or something.
They would have to bump the roof up a little bit.
Yeah.
No scrapes.
Yep.
I like the old school like cable driven speedometer that goes bounce, 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 bounce
Oh,
when
yeah,
it's
yeah.
starting out.
It's like it's somewhere in there.
You know, when I did the first pull, it did not feel like we were going that fast.
No.
I guess the lift does a pretty good job.
Yeah.
The AC works okay.
Well, it's also
I could definitely tell when you get on it, you can feel all the hot air
Yeah.
blowing in. What's O fan?
oil.
Oh, oil fan. Okay.
Yep.
So if your oil temp gets high, you just flip that on?
What's on?
Oh, okay.
Down.
Oh, up is off.
Yeah, down is
Okay.
on.
My OCD would bother me. I would flip all those around. I'd want the up to be on.
I think that's how they originally had them, though.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm sold. It's so rough, but it's awesome.
It's a gearhead's car.
Yeah, definitely.
Like normal people would hate this thing.
Oh yeah, my Allison would absolutely hate this car.
I know. I can't
You
wait.
turn it off by pressing the button. Oh, just turn the key.
Yep.
Okay,
There you go.
like a 458.
Yep.
All the switches is cool. You got to flip all those off before you get out.
I don't have to, but
Oh,
clunk yourself.
yeah, a little bit.
How was it, Josh?
It's pretty awesome. It's unlike anything else.
You want to try?
It's unlike anything else, that's for sure. Yeah. Pretty cool.
I'm glad Josh approves.
Yeah. I didn't really know, it's the kit car in my mind.
Right.
It's like
I had a hard
it's
time with
kit
that
car.
mentally too.
But I have a kit car on my wish list too, so
That's true. We need to make that happen.
yeah. Maybe I won't say what it is. Maybe
No,
it'll
no,
just show
we
up
should
here
just
one-
it should just show up one
It's
day.
the complete opposite of what this is.
Right. A lot more show than go.
Yeah. Well, I give it my stamp of approval. So.
And with that, we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. It's going to be sweet.